Have you ever wondered what a typical 30-year-old woman in the United States looks like today? Well, the answer might surprise you because it's not just about appearance. It's about lifestyle, confidence, and health. At 30, many women in the U.S. focus on building a balanced life. They're often more confident, independent, and comfortable in their own skin. Whether working professionals, content creators, or entrepreneurs, their personality shines more than just physical looks. When it comes to body shape, there's no single standard. Some women prefer staying slim and athletic, while others embrace natural curves. Fitness trends like gym workouts, yoga, and healthy eating play a big role. Body features, including height, weight, and proportions, vary widely. The focus today is less on perfection and more on health and self-care. Style is where personality really shows. From casual jeans and sneakers to elegant dresses, women at 30 often choose outfits that reflect both comfort and confidence. Minimal makeup, natural beauty, and skincare routines are also very popular trends in the U.S. So, how does a 30-year-old woman in the USA look? The truth is, there's no single answer. Every woman is unique, and beauty comes in many forms. Confidence, health, and happiness are what truly define modern beauty today.